Hello friends, welcome to second lesson of Delta programming tutorial. In this video, I will upload and download program from PLC to PC and PC to PLC. I have connected PLC to PC via RS-232 cable and use USB to RS-232 converter. Let's start the video. First, let's check device manager. Okay, go to device manager. Let's check the cable connection. Okay, we have connected the cable to PC via USB. Okay, so in ports, go to ports. Here you can see USB to serial driver. Okay, so make sure you have this USB to serial driver, and after connecting cable to PC, it is showing. Okay, there should not be any yellow mark here. Okay, so this is a basic thing. So first you need to ensure this driver. Okay, if I remove the cable, now I am removing the cable. Okay, so it is not showing now, right? So I will again connect the cable. If I connect cable, it will show again. Okay, I have connected cable. Now it is showing USB to serial CH340. Okay, and this is to COM5. So it means PLC is connected to COM5. Let's open the PLC software, that is WPLSoft. Okay, so this is just one sample program. So I will just close this project. Okay, so let's create new PLC. So just click here, new, just give the name test1. We have the PLC series of SS2, so I will select here SS2. Okay, so first let's take backup from PLC. Let's check is there any program in PLC. Okay, so first you need to go to options, then go to communication setting. Okay, so in connection type you can select here RS-232, Ethernet, and all these direct links, but now in our case, now we have connected through RS-232, so I am selecting RS-232. Okay, so we have seen in device manager COM5 is there, right? So here we need to select COM5. This is COM port, so let's select COM5. You can see here it is showing USB to serial. Okay, so COM5 selected. This is the default settings and let it be. Don't change anything here because PLC have all these settings. This is if anything change here, just click on default, so it will come to the default values. So data length should be 7, parity should be even, stop bit should be 1, and baud rate should be 9600. This is station address. Okay, it means PLC has one unique address, that is station address. Okay, so this is a station address, and mode is ASCII. Okay, so if I click on auto detect, if any PLC there, it will show you the result. So result of detecting PLC is SS2. Okay, it means we have successfully communicated to PLC. Okay, so let's check is there any program in PLC. So you can see here two icons. This is a read from PLC and this is write to PLC. Okay, or you can go in communication. Okay, in transfer setup, you can see here this arrow shows PLC to PC. If you select PC to PLC, means the program will be downloaded to PLC from PC. If we want PLC to PC, then we will select this. Okay, so this is shortcut. So let's just click on read from PLC. It means we are reading the program from PLC. Just click on device command. If any device in PLC, device comments will be there, then it will be also uploaded. So just click on OK. So do you want to save the modified project too? Yes. Okay. So you can see there is no any program in PLC. This is blank, right? So let's download the program in PLC. So just click here. We will write some code here. Simple code, that is ENO M0 and out M1. Okay. So this is simple program. Let's compile this program. If now this is a write to PLC. So I will click on write to PLC. Here you can see PC to PLC. Okay. Now just click on this monitor online mode. Okay, so here you can see the PLC is in stop mode. So we will put it in run mode. So here you can see this is the run icon and this is stop icon. We will click on run icon. So it will show the pop-up. Click on yes. Now the PLC is in run mode. Okay. So if I set on this bit, then this will be on. Okay. Set off. This is off. Okay. So in this way we can download the program in PLC. Now let's edit the program online. Now if I click here, type anything, so it's not typing. So first you need to click on this online edit mode. So if you click on online edit mode, you can now edit the program. So let's say enter one row here. Okay, LD M2 out M3. Okay, after writing, then you need to just click here send changes. Okay, it means whatever you have changed in online mode, it will be transferred to again in PLC. So just click on send changes. Now the modified program is sent to PLC. Okay, now we will save this program, test 1. Yeah, now let's close this program. Okay, so now we will read from PLC. So just click on read from PLC. Okay. Communication in progress. Let's cancel this. First check the communication setting. Okay. Yeah. Now let's upload the program. Read from PLC. Okay. So this is program which we have recently downloaded in PLC. It is uploaded. Okay. So again you can go online here. Okay, so here you can see the status of PLC, that is in run mode. Okay, so now let's see how we can check PLC and PC program. How we can check is this we can compare that PLC program and PC program. Let's check. Suppose we have deleted this run. Okay, so now if I click on go online, it will give the pop-up. Okay, so what it say, program has not been compiled, do you want to compile? Okay, now let's compile the program. Yes, now you can see it is showing the program is not consistent with PLC. Do you want to download the current open program to PLC? It means the program, this program and the program which is in PLC is not same. So do you want to download this program to PLC? Okay, so in this case means you can see this it means both programs are different. Okay, so offline one and the online one. Yeah, so if I again click on upload read from PLC, the program will be uploaded again. Okay, so in this way we can communicate to PLC with by using the cable RS232 cable, and we can download and upload the program. So in next lecture we will see how to communicate to PLC via HMI. We will communicate PLC to HMI first, then we will try to upload and download the program to PLC through HMI. Okay, so subscribe to the channel for next upcoming tutorials.